That's right, baby. Hooked up.
We're going camping. Woo!
Yes, we are excited for another camping trip. Yeah, Dree is too. 3-hour drive going to Moose Hillock over in New York, Lake George area. I don't really know the town, who cares? But anyways, it's hot out already. I'm excited to get there for the week. Go swimming in the dang pool. Last night we went to a concert, a rock concert for my friend's birthday, and I feel like I just got in a fight with frickin' Liu Kang and bicycle kick to the chest. Pack up the camper now, loading stuff up. I'm gonna send it over to New York, baby.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
We made it!
Yay!
Kayla's only said that she's hungry like 800 times, so I'm excited to get here to freaking unload, get some goddamn food. Site 151. Good size. Ah! Trees in between here. Fairly flat too. This is actually the easiest backup that I've done for camping. I turned around the corner and then back straight in. Like I had like a whole mile.
Last time he hit a tree.
Last time I hit a tree at Moose Hillock, huh? I'm gonna finish unpacking, leveling things out, get everything ready, and then we'll probably want to head down to the pool. Well, here we are. Look at that. We got water slides. Where?
Right there.
Oh, I see her. There's a cafe.
Yeah, it looks like
The social media guy said he's gonna bring us drinks.
Oh yeah.
My man.
You go right here.
All right, what's your name?
Ed.
Ed.
Nice to meet you, bud.
Nice to meet you.
Anyway, these are for you guys.
These are for us. Thank you.
Thank you for vlogging such an awesome family vacation last
I know. Well, I'm doing it again now.
Good.
Thank Ed for these awesome drinks. Is that good? Here's them. Oh, it's good. It's good. Good. Grandpa's gonna do it? All right.
In the back of the truck because we're going to our friend camper. We're gonna park there and probably walk. We're not going that fast in the truck. We're holding on.
Breakfast time. Fill up our bellies with some eggs sandwiches. I know. What am I doing not singing professionally? You should sing. You're very good. Ha 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 ha. Look at this little man boy in here. Pillowhead. Little pillowhead. You gonna wake up today? Me and Mom we already went swimming in the pool. Yeah, we went down the water slide like 18 times. There was no line. It was fun. I'm just kidding. Hi, good morning.
Could you not burn the eggs, please?
Yeah. Boss. Oh, you smell eggs? You want breakfast or something? You get your nice special dog food. Yummy, yummy. 9:30. 9:30, Dre. If you don't wake up and get out of bed by 10, you're not going to the pool. I read the campground rules. If you can't get up by 10 o'clock, you don't get to go swimming. What's up, little box head? Oh, you can eat your cereal through that?
Mom, I haven't drank.
Didn't work too well, dude.
And then I cried.
You truly are a fruitcake. You truly are a fruitcake. So, that's the entrance. Look at all those sights. We are way up here in the back corner, which we kind of picked. We wanted to stay up there in the back corner. Lovely spot, as you can see. And then our friends Derek and Jill are way over in this corner, not even close. All the sights at this place are freaking huge, and they're pretty wooded too, so you can keep your neighbors from peeping in your window.
Cool thing about this campground is it's located in such a beautiful area that there's just so much to do outside of the campground. Lots of hiking trails, there's biking, go swimming in the lake, or take a trip down to the town of Lake George, explore the shops, go out to eat. Hold up. That's some cool information and all, but that's not my style. Let's just roll some clips and put some fun music to it. Ready? Go! Here is yeah, score. You love me? Yummy Italian ice, shaved ice.
Yeah.
What do you call it? Is it
Got
good?
the flavors blue one, grape and orange pineapple.
Pineapple.
Delicious.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Good, Ella?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
They all went back to the campsite.
They left us.
We all got.
Making Drea a sandwich, and Rylan thinks I should prank her. Yeah. And put a banana pepper on her peanut butter and fluff sandwich. Yes, no, I am. And then watch her bite it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
Put it on the fluff.
Put it on the fluff. I'm gonna put it inside so she doesn't know.
Okay.
It's gonna be funny. There it is. Looking all yummy. Yum, yum.
Who made this? There's a lot of peanut butter and fluff.
You want a good filled sandwich, don't you?
Yeah. Little goodness.
Then you're gonna cut it.
I put a banana
Roxy don't know if she wants to eat it.
Ew.
I saw it all in her mouth, dude. She definitely had a
She
full
took
mouth
one
of it. Was it yummy?
No. Dude, it tastes.
Rye, we got her, dude.
That's all the blueberries left.
Gina, did you?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gigi.
Watch out, there might be a banana.
Happy birthday to you.
Did you buy that here?
Happy birthday.
There might be a banana pepper in there, watch out.
Yes, I hit a banana pepper there. Well,
We won.
Game.
We won. We won.
we got a nighttime movie in the pool. Cheese.
Sea monster.
Here, you video me. Ready? Right.
I hope it's
Are you ready for this nighttime scavenger hunt?
yes.
It's a little bit scary though, isn't it?
No.
No?
We have headlamps, so it's
We got
not
headlamps.
scary.
We're gonna go find some stuff. Maybe some candy. Heck yeah, let's do it.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, do you have a flashlight tonight? Let me see your flashlights! Ahoy, yes. Are we ready to go on a mystical hunt for treasure in the dark woods of Moose Hillock?
Yay. Oh, gold coin. Just candy. And candy. And candy. And a gem and a gem. Oh, there was one, now there's 20. He's losing his gold.
Oh my goodness.
Hopefully we can trade them in for a golf cart tomorrow, man. No? Cooped up for you.
And then another pocket.
Nice, but look at all that treasure. Oh my god. You had that pocket full? I thought you didn't get much, dude. You got a whole pile of treasure.
Yeah, that thing's fucking huge.
What's going on?
God. The bug on the fridge. It's giant.
That's a magnet. Is that a cockroach, dude?
No, but it's like
What the heck?
a flying cockroach. Just kill it. Get it out of It's smushy.
Papi!
Is it dead? Ew! No, please stop. Stop.
Papi!
Throw it in the bathroom with mama.
Yeah!
Murder the shit out of it. Funny. I will cry.
I know you will.
Don't.
No, I'm gonna burn it. Oh, you
Rylan wins the game.
octopus dance,
Buganji.
Buganji, boom, boom, boom. Nice. Who's sad to leave? Hillock Campground in New York?
Thumbs up.
It was a good one. Yeah.
I liked it.
Plenty to do around. Just stay at the campground, swim in the pool. Big hit, huge campground, big sites, private, wooded, and just a lot to do in the area. Fun time. Definitely recommend this campground if you're coming to New York looking for a campground to stay at.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
It's a really good campground to hang out with your family.
So that concludes our camping adventure to Hillock in New York. Thank you for watching. I hope you stay here. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not. And until the next time.
Stay happy.
Stay live.
Peace.